I seek Allah protection from the Satan temptation one. In the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most perfectly of all legislator. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. How are you today? Okay, before we start, let me check for your attendance and don't forget to raise your hand when I call your name. Sayyidatun Rahmah, Dinda Ayu Salehah, Muhammad Awi Sihab. Okay. Alright student, today we are going to learn about expressing suggestion and advice. This will help you to communication better when you want to give or ask for ideas in English. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to understand the difference between suggestion and advice, use common expressions, and make short dialogue using them. Next is definition. First, let's understand the suggestion, the meaning. A suggestion is an idea or plan offered for someone to consider. For example, is let's go to the park. Or meanwhile, advice is opinion about what someone should do. And for example, you should study hard if you want to pass the exam. Okay. Can anyone give me example another for a suggestion? Good. Now, can you give me an example of advice? Alright. Alright, here are some common expression you can use. For suggestion, you should blah blah blah. Why don't you blah blah blah? Let's blah blah blah. How about blah blah blah? I think you should blah blah blah. What about blah blah blah? And for advice is if I were you, I would blah blah blah. You'll better blah blah blah. I advise you to blah blah blah. It's a good idea to blah blah blah. And the last is you ought to blah blah blah. Okay class, repeat after me. You should. Alright, good. Now if I were you, I would. Alright. Okay student, and next is example expression. Here are some examples. Asking for suggestion or advice. What should I do? Do you have any suggestion? Any advice? And giving suggestion or advice, I suggest you. Why don't you? Maybe you could? You should. Okay, and for accepting, that's a good idea. I will do that. Okay, I will try. And for rejecting is I don't read it not. That doesn't really work for me. Let's practice is I say let's practice if I say I have hit H. What suggestion or advice can you give me? Alright, good. So, what have we learned today? Yes, we learned the difference between suggestion and advice and some common expressions to use them. Now, student, for your homework is write a short dialogue 4 of 5 lines between two friends wherein gives a suggestion and advice and write in your notebook. And for conclusion in this subject, students, in conclusion, expressing suggestion and advice is a way to give or ask for ideas or recommendation to do something, solve a problem, or make a decision. We can use it in both formal and informal situation. Alright class, maybe that's this from me. That's all for today. Thank you for your attention and participation. Don't forget to do your homework and see you next time. Bye bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.